Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a notebook's cover look a bit prettier and fancier. I'm using this wrapping paper that I got from Pepco the other day. I'm advising you to use a more plasticky one just so it doesn't get messy looking as easily. I'm also using this stick glue from the craft store. Now you just need to map out a bit how far you need the paper to go to cover both sides when you close the notebook. Then you're gonna cut the middle part off. You don't need to do it perfectly since nobody's gonna notice it probably if it's a bit crooked. So take your time. Now I'm able to fold all the edges inside and glue them to the actual cover. If you see any extra paper in the middle, just push it in. Also, you can cut off all the rough edges. That's the end result. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!